Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. So, I want to give us a tip. Three most important questions you need to ask before you pay for that property. Number one, who owns the property? You need to ask, who owns the property? Is it an individual, a group of person, a company, a community or family? Who owns the property? That is, whose name is on the title document of that property? That's the first question you need to ask. Something happened recently. A client of mine wanted to buy a property, and in the course of our due diligence, we found out that the person who is selling is not the person. Uh, her name was not on the document. Who later got to understand that the woman bought the property in the name of her father, and now she wants to sell. What the law says is it is the owner of the property that has right to sell. So until that changes, until there's a transfer of title name, she cannot sell that property. So in this case, it is her father that has the right to sell that property. Number two question you need to ask: how did the owner get ownership? The professional call it the root of title. Before you pay for any property, you need to engage professionals. Engage your lawyer to do what we call due diligence. They need to find out the present owner who is selling. How did they buy it? From where? They need to do the what we call they need to trace the history. They need to trace the history of that property, how it gets to the present property. So don't lose your hard-earned money in the name that you want to cut costs. Do your proper due diligence. Engage professionals. And the last question, but not the least, is the identity of the property. It doesn't matter what they show you on paper or the picture. You need to physically ascertain that what is on paper is what is on ground. I can't overemphasize this. You need to ascertain that what is on the paper is what is on ground. An incident happened about 2 years ago. A client of mine bought a property somewhere in Vejileki, a swampy area. So at the time of purchase, he couldn't access the land because the area is swampy, so he couldn't get to the site. To cut the long story short, it took court case before uh, the client could recover his money back. Because even as I speak now, the man could not access the land.